Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a very, very cool song here from St. John. It's called Circles, okay? So I really liked this chord progression and strumming in this song. And it goes in the same way when it comes to the chord progression, but the strumming will differ. It will alternate between two chord progression rounds throughout the song. So we're gonna look at that first, the setup. We have the capo on the second fret to match up with the sound. And in the same way have the easiest chords possible for the song. So capo on second if you have one, otherwise then just go with the same chords and play it without capo. It will be a little bit darker but still be great to play. So into the chords now, we're gonna look at B minor, G, and E minor. That's the three chords needed. So B minor first, it's a bar chord where you play the index finger on the second fret and you cover all strings except from the last E string here. So 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. We have G next. That goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord will be E minor. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so the chord progression for the song will be B minor, G, E minor, and back to G. So B minor, G, E minor, G. That is the chord progression throughout the song, but like I mentioned, we have a strumming pattern that differs depending on if you are on the first round or second round. So we're going to alternate these two rounds, and they're very similar, but there are changes or differences as well. So we're going to look at the first round, and the first chord, B minor. I'm going to play it this. So it's down, 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 up, down. Okay, next chord is G, and for this G, you're gonna play up, down, down, short pause, and then up. Okay, so if you put these two chords together, it will be like this, slowly. Okay, then into the next chord, the E minor. Down, 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 up, down. And then in the final chord of this first round, the G, up, down, and then down, up, down, up. The last down, up, down, up will be muted. It will sound like this. Okay, so that is up, down. And then when you do that down, up, what I do here, I just lift off the tension from the actual G chord and I just lean my fingers, my hand on all of these strings so they are muted. We would just want to hear the strumming noise, fingers going across the strings there, and no sound ringing out. So we want the down, up to be muted. So that is the first round. I'm going to take you through the first round from the beginning, B minor, G, E minor, and G. And I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit so you really understand what's going on there. Let's start with B minor. Okay, that is the first round. Now into the second round. It's very similar, but it's still not. So you're gonna start with B minor, and that B minor is started in the same way. You're gonna play exact same way as the first B minor. So down, 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 up, down. And then over to G, it's very similar. It will be up, down, 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 up. So it's not as long as not this pause we had in the G. First round, this is with the down up in the end. So up, down, 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 up. Okay? And then into the E minor. Now you're gonna play down, up, down, 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 up. and then into the final chord, the G, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And the last down, up now is not muted, it's played there. So G, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the end of the second round. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through this very slowly. Second round from the beginning, B minor, G, E minor, G. Let's go. Okay, and that's the second round. Then you go back to the first round, play that second, first, second throughout this song. I'm gonna take you through one round of these both versions of strumming in a slower tempo and then one in standard. Let's go. Yes, so there we have one full round, so to speak. You just do that over and over again. One round or maybe a couple rounds, if I get the feeling for it, will sound like this in standard tempo. And yeah, I just thought that I got the feeling for it. It's a great strumming pattern and a great song coming out from St. John. It's called Circles. He's running circles, and yeah, that's sometimes how life goes. And I really run in circles sometimes when it comes to chord and guitar. Just try to do my best and get new songs out there, but also to combine it with some old goodies sometimes, and the Wish Wednesdays where we have your songs coming up. So feel free to interact with me, guys. Leave comments. I want to know what you want to learn. So we have this open window here where we talk to each other, and we try to match our wishes there. So hope you enjoyed this song, and if you did, feel free to support me on Chord Guitar. You know how. You have to click on the like button here for this tutorial, or even better, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, guys, and until next time, play tuned.